Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our batter. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of tapioca starch, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1/4 cups of water, while whisking until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. This is crucial because a smooth batter ensures even cooking. Once smooth, stir in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and let the batter rest for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the flour to fully hydrate, resulting in a better texture. You'll know it's ready when the batter looks slightly thicker and more cohesive. Now, let's move on to the filling. In a pan over medium heat, cook 1/2 pound of ground pork. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. Stir everything together until the pork is fully cooked and fragrant. This step is important because the flavors need to meld together. Once cooked, stir in 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and 1/4 cup of cilantro. The herbs should look vibrant and fresh, adding a pop of color and flavor. By the way, since many of you ask about this nonstick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, prepare your steamer by bringing water to a boil. This step is crucial because the steam will cook the rice noodle rolls evenly. If you don't have a steamer, you can improvise with a large pot and a heat-proof plate elevated on a rack. Make sure the water level is below the plate to avoid direct contact with the batter. Lightly oil steamer-safe plates to prevent sticking. This is a small detail that makes a big difference in the final presentation. If you don't have steamer-safe plates, you can use any heat-proof dish that fits in your steamer setup. The oil should create a thin, even layer on the surface. Pour a thin layer of the batter onto the oiled plate, just enough to cover the bottom. Add a spoonful of the pork filling in a line down the center. Steam for 2-3 minutes, or until the noodle is set and slightly translucent. You'll know it's ready when the edges start to pull away from the plate. This is a key visual cue to ensure the noodles are cooked through. Carefully remove the plate from the steamer. Use a spatula or a knife to loosen the edges of the noodle. Roll it up gently, starting from one side, to encase the filling. This step is crucial for achieving the classic rolled shape. If the noodle sticks, it might need a bit more oil on the plate next time. Repeat the process with the remaining batter and filling, making sure to oil the plates each time. This ensures each roll is perfectly formed and doesn't stick. It's a bit repetitive, but the results are worth it. Keep an eye on the batter consistency. If it thickens too much, add a splash of water to maintain the right texture. Finally, slice the rolls into bite-sized pieces and serve them with soy sauce and chili oil on the side. The rolls should be soft and slightly chewy, with a glossy appearance. This is the moment to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The combination of flavors and textures makes this dish truly special. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.